Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Bloom in Blender using an easy method. First, open your Blender project and navigate to the Render Properties tab. This is where we'll enable the core Bloom settings. We'll adjust a few key parameters to achieve a beautiful, soft glow around bright areas. This simple technique significantly elevates your scene's visual quality, making your renders more captivating and professional with just a few clicks. To begin, head over to the Render Properties tab, which looks like a camera icon. Scroll down until you find the Bloom checkbox and make sure it's enabled. Next, locate the threshold setting. This value determines how bright a pixel needs to be before it starts to bloom. A common starting point is 0.5, meaning only pixels brighter than 50% will glow. Experiment to find the perfect balance for your scene. Now let's fine-tune the look of your bloom. The radius setting dictates how far the glow spreads from its source. A value of around 6 to 10 pixels often works well for a natural look. Then, we have intensity, which controls the brightness of the bloom. A value of 0.05 to 0.15 is a good range to start with, preventing the effect from becoming overpowering. These two settings are crucial for achieving your desired aesthetic. Finally, let's add a touch of color to your bloom. The color picker allows you to tint the glow, adding another layer of artistic expression. While white is standard, a subtle blue or orange can enhance the mood. After adjusting, take a moment to view your scene in the rendered viewport. This real-time feedback helps you make final adjustments, ensuring your bloom perfectly complements your overall composition. You've now mastered Easy Bloom in Blender.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.